Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yasmanno dvijate loko, lokanno dvijate jayah, हर्षामर्षभयोद् मुक्तः सजीवन्मुक्त उच्यते. We are studying Yoga Vasishtha, and in the second chapter, rather third chapter, we are taking this thought about the Jivan Mukta. So, yesterday we have seen this verse is same as it, almost same like in Bhagavad Gita. So, Yasman no dviyate loko, when the people are not fed up of him. See, Udveg. Udveg means, yaar, again this fellow has come. See, Udveg. Means, wherever we go, we are a black sheep in a white flock. Yasman no dvijate loko. So he who is thus not of this kind, no udvijate. See, udvega. Udvega means a sense of getting fed up. See, like many people are fed up of this, our beautiful Corona Maya. I am extremely happy. See? So, Yasman no dvijate loko. Why people are fed up of us? Because of the strong waves that we send around. Hey Maharaj. A person who is carrying negativity in his system, wherever he goes, he will spread that negativity around. See? This can be seen very easily. Let us take, for example, our Bhagwan Ramana Maharshi. So he was so much at peace that animals will come to him and he will be very comfortable. No problem. Because he is at peace with himself. It is said in Yoga Shastra, he who is living 100% pure. See? What is 100% purity? Zero ego level. Meaning through him Paramatma expresses. Now such persons do not have any bad smell coming from their body. I read it many years before, but then I experienced it with one Amma. This happened in Hyderabad. Many years before, I went to some of my friends' place and they took me to Mahatmas. One man, other woman. And both of them were naked, staying separately. So, the Mahatma who was naked, staying, so he had a very peculiar rules. He never used to take food on the proper table and plate and all that. On the soil, they will be making a kind of a platform, only made out of soil, no cement, no nothing. And there, like we give the food to the dogs and the cats or the animals, like that the rice and the sambar will be put over there. And he will mix it there only and eat. He gave me also, I also ate from his hand. So my friend says, see, he never gives to anybody, he has given you. I said, my fortune, what else? Then the lady I went to see, when I heard about them, so carried some fruits with me, the oranges. When they went to their mother, they said, no, she is sleeping for last 3 days. Now we don't know when she will wake up and all that. I said, all right, I will just put the fruits near her bed and come back. So when I went near the room, she got up. So I did namaskar and gave her the fruits. So she started opening his. So she started opening the orange and feeding me. One orange I ate, second orange, third one. I said, no, I can't eat more. Then she ate the remaining ones, all of them. And then when she hugged me, and I was so surprised, I expected a person sleeping for 3 days. Only bad smell should come from the body. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Because Prakriti, when it is in Samyavastha, when the matter is in equilibrium, it does not emit bad smell. So, Yasmanno Dvijate Loko, when the Prakriti is in the Samyavastha, like what is the Samyavastha, equanimity or equilibrium in matter? Equilibrium in matter is Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha. Shabda, sound. It is not specific. Sound is sound. But then we add some speciality to that. Sa re ga ma. Speciality. Equilibrium is lost. See? Similarly, the taste, rasa. Rasa is taste. But they are also sour, spicy, see, salty, sweet. Speciality is added. So, Yasmanno Dvijate Loko, meaning he whose mind is absolutely in equilibrium. He never emits reactions from him. We normally keep on reacting to everything in life. We don't act, we react. Like this, our Corona Maya. Now this Corona Maya, those who are reacting, they are suffering. Not because of Corona, but because of their own this reactionary attitude. And if somebody is happy, they become angry. आपको क्या होता है? If something happens to you near and dear, we don't wish that way. Suppose then what will you do? This kind of negative people, they are good, they are not nothing bad. But this negativity in them is so detrimental for themselves and for the people around. So the Jiva Mukta is Yasmanno Dvijate Loko. He is at equilibrium under all conditions. Therefore, everywhere he is welcome. When he is among the children, he is not childish, but he is childlike. When he is among the youngsters, he is ha ha ho ho. When he is among the middle age, frustrated because of husband, wife, children, government job, etc. So joining with them, really, you are such a good person, but nobody respects good people in this world, You should be bad, but I know you people cannot be bad because you are basically good, So they feel very good about it. And old people, with old people, he is also complaining. Suppose the other person says, I got such a terrible, knee pain. I don't know. Really, I also have got I have got a headache in my knee also. And actually, they belong to nobody. This is what is mentioned here. Yasmanno Dvijate Loko. They don't react. You will see normally people, elderly people, they react to everything. Whatever the youngsters are doing, they have to react. See Maharaj, Yasmanno Dvijate Loko. Then loka no dvijate chayaha, the other way around. So he is not a issue, a fed up personality for others, and he doesn't take anybody as a problem. So loka no dvijate chayaha. He who is not disturbed by the presence or absence of anything or anybody particularly around him. In short, his equanimity is perfectly maintained. And again I am coming back. When the Prakriti is in equanimity, Prakriti is three guna, Trigunatmika Prakriti, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. So when these three gunas are in equilibrium, then only this thing can happen. And these three gunas can remain in equilibrium if we are not influenced by the Prakriti. And we are influenced by the Prakriti starting from the objects, then the sense organs, organs of action, the mind and the intellect. These are the channels through which the Prakriti attacks us. Therefore, Bhagavad Sri Krishna says, Tasmatvam indriyani adav niyamya bharatarshava. See, we have to start working on this, and this is what the great master is. So, yasmano dvijate loko lokat no dvijate chayaha. Then, harsha, amarsha, bhaya, unmukta. See, harsha, becoming so excited. Harsha is not only happiness, excitement. See? And in that excitement, we lose our control. And many people become victim of their own excitement. See? Harsha. And then amarsha. Amarsha is intolerance. See? There are people who are not able to tolerate anything in life. See? So, harsha, amarsha, then bhaya and fear. These are the three negative points in the life of an average person. And they are in his mind. So, either too excited or absolutely intolerant and always fearful. I don't know what is going to happen. I don't know what is going to happen. And it is for this purpose we are studying Yoga Vasishtha. We have to now apply all what we have been studying in our whole life. How many times we have heard Bhagavad Saptaha? We have not heard, we have gone because we were invited. And there is a statement among the Marwaris. They say, नहीं जरा मुंह दिखा के आते हैं. मुंह दिखा के आते किसको? भगवान को. No, they have sent me the invitation. So, in our society we are supposed to go when they have invited us. So, Bhagavad Katha, Satsang also, we require invitation. And then a particular place to sit because we are invited. See Maharaj. So we have heard so many times Satsanga, we have gone to Bhagavad Gita, Satsanga, Upanishad, Vedanta Grantha, and in this Corona festival we have done so many of them, Panchadashi, Vivek Chudamani,